Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the glow trace effect on Higgsfield. So the first thing, you can see that this is a glowing trace of the individual here. So it depends on what you want to achieve. You can create any of them by clicking on the video you're seeing, or you can just generate one from scratch. And once you generate it, you can upload your image in this area here. As you can see, I've uploaded my image, and then if you have an end frame, you can also upload it here. You can now describe the scene. This ChatGPT will help you a whole lot here. You can describe the scene as ethereal, or it all depends on what you can imagine, and just make sure it's properly detailed. Then this model, you can choose this particular model or any other model, then click on generate, and within few minutes your video will be ready for download. You can click on download and you will have it downloaded to your system. That's it, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and please subscribe.